What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We are here with some more tech for you guys and another banger of a video. But if you're new to the channel and any of this information is helpful and you're appreciating the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps promote the channel and push it forward. And if you're new or returning, welcome back, GG&T fam. Make sure to hit that like button, show the support for the channel. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Everyone's heard of Lucid by now. Lucid is a new electric vehicle startup company. They were supposedly supposed to be rivaling Tesla. At least supposed to be. That was the consensus around this Lucid Motor Group company. But as of yet, Lucid has barely made their footprint in the automotive market. Now, Lucid has had all type of delays, whether it be their stock just completely dropping a significant amount, which kind of happens with a startup company, but it sucks for the investors of Lucid, and just manufacturing delays, delivery delays. But we are on MediaAutomate.com and they are talking about the recent delays in Lucid. So as you can see, it says first line, electrical automotive startup Lucid froze manufacturing every week at its flagship manufacturing plant in Casa Grande, Arizona in the beginning of the month, which they're referring to June, and it kind of goes in further of why they made this halt and they froze their manufacturing. The scheduled pause, as it says, from the Cloud 29, whatever that is, to June 4th was instituted so Lucid might step up their tooling wanted for the meeting of their 87,000 Air Pure. So essentially this freeze in manufacturing was based around this specific car. So during this pause, it says that the Lucid workers were paid 75% of their typical earnings through the pause because they have to account for the money that they're not getting. So I guess they had to adjust their employees' income to kind of offset the money that they're not receiving because of their, for lack of a better term, lackluster rollout. So the main quarter that Lucid is concerned with, they have only produced about 700 vehicles and delivered a whopping 360. So for those of you who are in the market for a Lucid vehicle or just interested in the Lucid vehicle and how they're being produced, manufactured, and delivered, these numbers aren't too staggering or aren't that great at all as far as the consumer getting these vehicles in their hand. I'm a big supporter of Lucid. I think they have an amazing product. I do think their prices are way too high for the everyday consumer, but I'm assuming they didn't make these vehicles for the everyday consumer. They made it for people with a little bit deeper pockets than your boy over here, which is fine. But for them to price their vehicles starting out the gate higher than normal cars and categorizing their vehicles as luxury vehicles, that with the woes of their stock dropping and having manufacturing delays, it really hinders the forward progression of this company. I think what would help them tremendously is if they reduce the price. Granted, that's not going to help their manufacturing delays, but it will also get more of these vehicles in consumers' hands, and which then would give them some kind of earnings for those vehicles that were actually delivered. But I'm not too sure about it. What direction Lucid might go from here, I don't know, but I hope they proceed to progress forward because it would be nice to have a rival directly to Tesla, but it seems that Lucid can't quite get their feet under them as far as a good rollout. But hopefully they continue to improve and more of these vehicles hit the road and they eventually make a more affordable option. But you guys know me, I like to keep these videos short and sweet. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you guys think about Lucid and how they're allegedly supposed to rival Tesla and their manufacturing delays. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.